What can you expect from Onyxcoin or XCN in the next couple of months as Bitcoin continues its bull cycle? And it's looking like it's more likely to be continuing this bull cycle as it retests 120K right now. I did a more detailed video on Bitcoin earlier today. I highly suggest that you guys watch it. I'll link you guys at the end of this video because it is still the driver of this market. And if it has more room to pump, so will a lot of these altcoins here. However, if it dumps, then that's not going to be good for quite a bit of the altcoins here. So I never trade altcoins without a clear understanding of Bitcoin. Now, for Onyx Coin here, this is the monthly time frame, and what I am looking at here is still seeing a higher low on this monthly time frame. And why are higher lows important? Because that's basically the foundation of a uptrend. For an uptrend, you're not going to see it go straight up, right? I mean, maybe for a very short time frame, but you're going to see higher highs and higher lows, and that confirms an uptrend. And XCN here still has an uptrend if it holds this higher low, right? At about 0.1 cents here, okay? That was basically the August low. Now, you do have the monthly 21 SMA that's coming up. That's the blue line here. That could be the next support, right? Let's take a look into a smaller time frame, a weekly time frame here, and see what has changed with XCN. With XCN here, I've been talking about this falling wedge pattern for quite some time because Onyx Coin has basically pumped from back in April, right, from 0.0085 all the way to about 0.0275, right, almost, and then basically has just been running within this very tight range. Has been boring, right, to be honest, but I mean, it doesn't mean that it's not going to be doing anything anytime soon. I think in the next couple of months, it is more likely to be on the upside, right? That Onyx Coin is more likely to be surging for the next couple of months based on what I'm seeing here, right? This is a falling wedge pattern, and falling wedge patterns have a higher chance of breaking out to the upside. Now, price targets for this falling wedge pattern, if it breaks out by this point, for example, the price target would be about 0.029, about 2.9 cents here, price targets. Now, price targets are estimates only. There could be more, there could be less. A lot of it is going to depend on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin starts dumping, these altcoin setups, they're not going to matter very much, especially if Bitcoin starts dumping extensively. But I do think that Bitcoin has a higher chance of making new all-time highs right now. Okay. So this is basically what I'm seeing for Onyx Coin on the weekly time frame. I do think that if Onyx Coin comes back all the way up to about 4.9 cents here, this could form some type of a cup and handle pattern, but that is still a guess right now. Okay. Now, I am long on Bitcoin. I am long on quite a bit of the altcoins here. So my opinions on this market is bullish, but these are just my opinions, like the entirety of this video, and not financial advice. You should form your own opinions and strategies. So this is basically what I'm seeing for Onyx Coin. Let me know if you guys want to continue seeing any more of Onyx Coin by dropping a like, comment, subscribe, or any other requests in this market. I'll pick a request to do for you guys on a daily basis. I'll see you on the next one.